Have you ever replayed the same conversation again and again? Have you ever stayed awake at night thinking about something that happened hours ago or something that has not even happened yet? If your answer is yes, you are not alone. Millions of people struggle with overthinking every single day. But here's something surprising. Overthinking is not a sign that your brain is working better. Sometimes it is a sign that your brain cannot stop looking for answers. So, why does this happen? And more importantly, how can you stop it? Let's find out. Your brain has one main job: to keep you safe. Thousands of years ago, thinking about possible danger helped humans survive. What if that sound is a weird animal? What if that place is dangerous? The people who prepared for danger often survived. Your brain still works the same way today. The only difference is the danger have changed. Instead of weird animal, now it's what if I fail? What if they don't like me? Your brain keeps searching for answers even when there are none. Many people believe if I think about it long enough, I'll find the perfect answer. But psychology says something different. The more you overthink, the harder it becomes to make a decision. Instead of finding clarity, you create confusion. Your brain becomes trapped in an endless loop, thinking without solving anything. One thing the human brain dislikes more than almost anything else is uncertainty. The brain wants certainty. It wants clear answers. But life does not always give us clear answers. Sometimes we simply don't know what will happen. Instead of accepting uncertainty, many people keep thinking, try to predict the future. But the future cannot always be predicted. Have you noticed your biggest worries often appear at night? There is a reason. Everything becomes quiet. There are fewer distractions. Your brain finally has time to focus on your thoughts. That is why small problems can suddenly feel much bigger before you sleep. The first step: notice when you are overthinking. Ask yourself, am I solving a problem or just repeating it? The second step: Focus on facts, not fears. The third step, take action. Even a small action is better than endless thinking because action gives your brain new information. Thinking alone does not. Imagine you send an important message. Hours pass. Nobody replies. Your brain immediately starts creating stories. They are angry. I said something wrong. They don't like me anymore. But later, you discover their phone battery dead. Nothing was wrong. Your brain created a problem that never excited. Overthinking feels like preparation, but many times it is only fear wearing a different mask. The strongest minds are not the ones that think the most. They are the ones that know when to stop thinking and start living. Remember, you don't have to solve every possible problem. Sometimes peace begins the moment you let go. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Quantum Net because here we explore psychology, human behavior, and the hidden secrets of the human mind. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.